Dear student, today we will discuss about the poultry hatchery basic requirement and operation. The basic theme of broiler breeder flock to produce the fertile egg. First of all, we will discuss about the basic terminology. As we know, the hatchery is the machine which provides the basic requirement for the development of embryo into a healthy chick. Second, oology is the branch of science which deals with the study of egg is known as the oology. A chamber that provides nourishment and protection for the growth and development of embryo inside it is also known as the egg. Embryo is the earliest development of the germinal disc within egg until it's hatched. What about the hatchling? Hatchling is the day-old chicks which normally hatch from a fertile egg. A germinal disc is a small circular white patch on the upper surface of the yolk containing cell from which the chicks develop if the egg is fertile. Second, what is the incubation period? It's the process by which the birds or hatchery hatch their fertile egg. And incubation period is known as the time during which incubation takes place. So a little information about the incubation period of the avian species. As you know, the hen has incubation period 21 days and quail has about 17 days, and one species of the quail, bob white, has 21 days. Duck has 28 days incubation period and one or two species has 32-day incubation period. As you know, the turkey is the 28 days incubation period and ostrich has about 42 to 44 days incubation period. Dear student, there are the two incubation methods. Number one is the natural incubation and the second is the artificial incubation. As natural incubation is mostly occur under the broody hen, which is locally known as the Kodak Murgi. For a small scale household purpose required by the medium size hen, which must be characterized by the ruffled feathers, losing feather under wing and leg, free from parasite external and internal. Capacity of egg must be 12 to 15 egg per hen. Housing dimension must be 14 into 14 into 16 inches. You must provide the clean nesting material and also checks egg 8, 9th and 16th day for that in shell. The broody patch which is developed on the abdomen of the chicks. A large size hatchery has two parts. Number one is the setter, second is the hatcher. Setter, mostly we place the egg in setter from day 1 to day 18, and in which we place the egg in a position that the broader end must be up and the pointed end must be at the bottom, turning automatically. Second is the hatcher. Hatcher is the part in which we bird maintain egg maintain 19 to 21 days, and the capacity of the hatcher is one third of the setter. There is a no turning and the heat source is the electricity. Hatcher. Hatcher temperature requirement is 99.5 degree Fahrenheit and the setter requirement is 99 degree Fahrenheit. Humidity in the setter must be 54 to 60 percentage and the hatcher must be 75 to 86%. Ventilation cross of the fresh gases with foul gases must be maintained. The normal carbon dioxide level not more than 0.03%. Above 0.5% reduces the hatchability and above the 2% reduces the hatchability up to 0%. Their other basic hatching requirement included the altitude. High altitude reduces the hatchability and normal hatchability is 85%. Hatchability is the yield of the chicks against the settable eggs in the hatchery. A experiment was conducted to see the sea level at 25 feet which yield that 85% hatchability and 5000 feet which yield the 74% hatchability and 7000 feet which yield the 64% hatchability. Position of the egg. The position of egg is broader end up and the pointer end at the bottom. If the broader end at the bottom, 50% dead in shell due to the non-establishment of the pulmonary respiration. Lastly, turning of the egg in hatchery, particular in the setter, normal turning angle is the 40 to 5 angle each side, and we turn the eggs 6 to 8 times, but in commercial hatchery we turn the egg 24 times per 24 hours. If the turning in circle, it will rupture the allantois membrane. All type of activities that involve in the production of the large number of the economical as well as the healthy chicks from hatchling egg is called as the hatchery operation. Nature of the operation, there are the two type of the operation. Number one, planned operation. Second is the emergency operation. Type of operation, there are the three type of the operation which take place in the during the hatchery process. Number one, preliminary operation, startup operation, and the running operation. Important hatchery operation including number one, securing the hatching egg from the breeder farm, handling the hatching egg, setting of hatching eggs, filtering the recycled air from the hatcher, egg containing embryo for human consumption. This is mostly occur at the international level, but this practice is not happening in the Pakistan. After chicks hatch, chick delivery to the farm level, hatchery sanitation for the good healthy chicks production, hatchery disposable, hatchery feedback of all separation, record keeping of all operation. Number one, scaring the hatching egg. Number one, we must know about the source of the egg. There are the four type of the source of the egg. Number one, hatchery owns the breeder hens. Second, hatchery secure egg from the other flock owners. Number three, other hatchery supplies the egg to the hatchery for the hatching the eggs. Hatching egg mostly these occur in the production companies. Raw eggs are delivered to the hatchery. Egg delivered by the truck or rail or air. Falling room must rigidly observe for the transportation of the eggs. Number one, disinfect the truck driver and the helper. Disinfect and fumigate the all trucks. Only Mycoplasma gallisepticum or Mycoplasma synovi negative may be placed in the truck. Secondly, container to be the hold egg collected in the plastic plate, placed in cases and delivered to the hatchery. Egg delivery record. It is included in the source of the egg, flock owner, date of eggs are received, house, pen or flock numbers, breed or line of chicken involved, number of cases or number of dozen of the eggs received. Egg prior to setting, it must be warming before setting in the setter at 72°F. Setting of the hatching egg in the setter, variability in hatching time which reduce the hatchability. Number three, filtering the recycled air from the hatcher. Microorganism from the hatching eggs and the hatchery debris mostly causes the unhealthy chicks. 99% of the organism removed from this process which through recycling. Broiler chicks are the heavier at the fourth week of the age in the filter hatcher than a non-filter hatcher. So must keep in the mind this situation. Eggs containing embryo for the human consumption. This is mostly known as the bollet or the embryotid eggs. This is mostly happen in the international level. Mostly people eat the embryotid egg. It store in the refrigerator and it harvest at the day 12 and 14 days of the incubation period. Number five, after chicks hatch. It included the following process. Number one, drying chicks. Chicks holding room temperature and humidity which help to maintain the A-grade chicks. Chicks boxes size, it must be according to the international standard. Chicks boxes pads, calculating the number of chicks hatch as settable eggs. Hardening of the chicks, grading of the chicks according to A grade, B grade, C grade. As you know that the A grade is the marketable chicks. Sexing of the chicks in case of the layer and broiler breeder and layer breeder. Extra chicks, 2% of the extra chicks provided with each boxes. Lastly, record of the data. The number six, chick delivery. After hatching of the chicks and drying of the chicks were delivered at farm level. So keep in mind that the truck must be disinfectant and delivering the chicks to the farm in a quality environment. If the shipping through in air, the keep
keep in mind the all international standards. Second, hatchery sanitation. The process of disinfection of the hatchery is known as the sanitation. Mostly after each successful hatch, we must sanitize the hatchery to reduce the microorganism at hatchery level. It includes the fumigation. Mostly we fumigate with the formalin and KMNO4, which the combination reduce the formaldehyde gases and reduce the microorganism at hatchery level. Hatchery disposal. Hatchery disposal mostly included the infertile eggs, non-hatched eggs, dead chicks, culled chicks. The nutritive value of hatchery waste mostly used after the treatment in the feed, but mostly ratherly these are not included in the feed because it is reduce the unhygienic condition of the feed. Other recommendation consider must be at HE level. Number one, feedback of the all operation which help to the successful operation.